Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Unfortunately, we are back to getting stuck here. Generally about around the crypto market today, not a lot of movement, sideways range again. Again, it shows how relevant this target area is or was, because these are always the levels and the ranges in which decisions are being made. The market gets into them and then we're getting stuck for a moment. We're consolidating and the market and the bulls and the bears are fighting, and the market needs to decide which direction are we now going to go. In the previous video I showed you all basically the key possibilities, and this is unchanged, unfortunately. We still have the possibility from here, as long as we're holding the 1280 level, to push higher in a third wave as indicated here. That should take us above $1,400 but really only if we hold above 1280, or over 1280. If we lose 1280, then we have another chance to reverse, but it would be a slightly different wave pattern. So in the first one that I just indicated, I assume that we had a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 down, and we're now in the wave 3 to the upside, and within that wave 3 we've seen here a wave 1 and a wave 2, and we would be following by a wave 3 of 3. That would be the bullish pattern. However, as this is again taking quite a long time, this is starting to get unlikely, because the third wave should normally be the most bullish one. But again, as long as we're holding that level, we can say that Ethereum probably is bottoming at 1280. But if we lose this level, then it will be a slightly different Elliott wave count. Then we would have to assume that this wave 2, that is currently highlighted as having finished here on the 15th of October, that this was never finished. Here's something that I mentioned to you before, and that we actually only have here a wave A, B, and we're coming down in a flat pattern in a C wave. But again, for this level, we need, for this scenario then to play out, that after we bottom here, we then move higher in a third wave, because then it's just sort of the 1, 2, and the increase is delayed, that with the wave 3 afterwards. That will only happen, in my opinion, as long as we're holding the 1225 level. And the 1225 level is highly relevant, because this is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Therefore, this is such an important level. And really, if we lose 1225, well, then I'm assuming we are going to make a new low below 1195, and then we need to see how low this goes. But primarily, I would still believe that we are holding the $1,000 level, and that we are in a higher level bullish scenario. But unfortunately, there isn't much more I can tell you at the moment, because it is just moving sideways. I gave you all the key levels, and we just now need to wait how the market decides. When we let's say we go up from here, what would be a really good signal that indeed we are in the third wave to the upside already? Well, the first good indication would be a move above 1320. I think that would take us out of the imminent range. And then very important would be a break above the 1330 level, the 78.6% Fib retracement. Okay, unfortunately there isn't much more I can tell you now that I haven't told you already in the previous video. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.